Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your favorite girl Sandra, and I'm back again with another amazing and interesting video. It's your daddy. He's my husband though. My Shasha husband, like Daniel. They are the same. They are carbon copy of Shasha people. They are always shy. Daniel and his daddy. So guys, today is on the 24th of December. What should I do? Oh. And we came out. We want to buy some things, some stuff. Yeah, we want to buy some stuff, and I just want you guys to come with us. Let's go and just shop together. And also, sorry, I forgot to start the video when I was at home. I forgot to start it. So yeah, I already started now. Don't be annoyed. We are already here. And look at the kids at the back. Look at Daniel and Prosper. Prosper is sleeping, and Daddy is just bringing Daniel out of the car. So I've just come out now. Okay. So yeah, I'm at where we want to buy what we want to buy. Papa, wakey wakey, Prosper. We are going that way, baby. So guys, we are done in the store that we went to buy some stuff. We did not get everything that we want, so we are going to another store. We are going to another store to buy some other stuffs that we need. So yeah guys, just stay tuned and watch this video. If today is the first time of coming across our channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the post notifications so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. I also share our video ads. Yeah guys, look at the kids. Danny, look at Danny and Prosper. Danny is not sleeping, and Prosper, look at this. Let me show you where. Okay, from here. Prosper is sleeping. Look at them. Daniel, say hi. And I say hi.
No.
Why no? Say hi.
No.
Say hi. Say hi now.
No.
No? No? Why no? Daniel is always shy. Daniel. It's like his daddy.
Hi.
It's only Prosper that used to say hi. You know, Daniel. It's only your brother that used to say hi. You don't used to say hi.
Hi.
Oh yeah, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Say hi. Good boy. This boy with the shame shy. Oh yeah, guys. So we are on our way. Just stay tuned. Don't go anywhere and watch this video.
They say money can't buy happiness, not lie. There is nothing in the world that money cannot buy. The big house, the clothes, the girls, the bands, expensive party with important friends. Na money, kill 'em all. I want to live like a billionaire, living large, spending cash like I really don't care.
So guys, we are here already. We want to go and buy what we want to buy.
I want to live like a billionaire, cash like I really don't care. Oh, life is sweet when you live like a billionaire.
So guys, we are done from the store that we went to. We are still going to another store, but I'm going to be talking to you when we get home. So yeah guys, I'm going to be talking to you when we get home, because if I see my car on a workout today, this video will be too long. If I say I should carry you guys along for all the, you know, so the video will be too long. So I'll be talking to you guys when I get home, okay? Just stay tuned and watch this video. You're gonna enjoy it, you're gonna love it, okay? Stay tuned and watch this video to the end, okay?
Oh, life is sweet when you live like a billionaire.
Many hours later.
Guys, we just get home, and I want to prepare fried rice. I will be preparing fried rice today. I already sliced all these vegetables before I left the house this afternoon. So I want to make fried rice. Look at my meat. See guys, it's around 6 p.m. in the evening, and I'm very exhausted. I'm so tired right now. I'm very tired, and yeah, I want to end the video here because I don't want this video to be too long. I want to end this video here. I normally cook I normally cook on the 24th evening, so yeah, it's not new to you guys that I've been here for a very long time. I normally cook my food that I'll be using for Christmas on Washing Day. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I want to prepare fried rice. So fried rice, my meat is on the it's cooking now, and yeah, tomorrow is also my hubby's birthday. My husband is second Jesus. If you guys don't know, my husband is second Jesus. Tomorrow is his birthday, so we'll be celebrating. I'll be celebrating his birthday. We'll be celebrating him. This year I didn't bake cake. Last year I didn't bake cake for him, but this year I don't ever have time to bake cake. So yeah guys, my food is on the stove. I will be ending this video here. I'm exhausted, but I need to finish cooking. Yeah. So I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not, and turn on the post notification so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. Also share our video. And thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in our next video. Bye bye. See you soon. Guys, Merry Christmas. Look at the food that I just prepared. Guys, I told you that I'm going to be preparing jollof fried rice. I told you guys that I'm going to be preparing fried rice. This is the fried rice that I prepared. It's already in different rubber. So if you want to come and visit me, you need to be assured that your stomach will be full. You hear me? Guys, look at the jollof. Oh, what is jollof? Look at the fried rice that I just prepared. So delicious, so yummy, so like juicy. Okay, it's not juicy. See turkey now. See turkey, see turkey, see turkey. Merry Christmas to you all. Merry Christmas.